Question 13. Nelly had some red and blue buttons. The number of red buttons is twice the number of blue buttons. So I use ratio. At first, red is 2 units, blue is 1 unit, right? This 1 unit, blue is twice. If Nelly buys 112 more blue buttons, so she buys 112 more blue buttons, then what happened? Ratio of the number of red to blue button becomes 1:4. But this so in the end I have 1:4. Okay. Then I rewrite this as 2 units. I times 2 times 2. 2 units, 2 units. Anywhere I go wrong. This one I put wrongly. This one I should put it over this side. Okay. Blue is 112. So if you look at this, so the red number remains the same. If the red button remains the same, at first 2 units, in the end cannot be 1 unit, right? Must be the same, right? Consistent. So this one must be 2 units. So I times 2. Here I also times 2. So I have 8 units here, I have 2 units here. So I'm consistent, right? Number of red button is the same. Still 2 units at first and in the end. So you can see from here, 1 unit to becomes 8 units, I plus 7 units. So this 7 units must equal to the amount bought for the blue button, 112. So therefore I work out 1 unit, 16, 2 units times 2. So from there, how many buttons, blue buttons, does Nelly have? So will be 1 unit have. You take 1 unit and 2 units for your final. You don't take these 2 because the question say if. Okay, when you see question like this, if the answer, you answer with respect to the at first amount. So it's 1 unit is 16, then red will be 2 units times 2, I have 32 then. Question 14. Six ponds and 10 fish have the same mass as 14 ponds and 7 fishes. So I put down 6 ponds and 10 fish, same as 14 ponds and 7 fish, same mass. The mass of each fish is 0.8. Find the mass of 1 pond. So fish I know is 0.8, so I substitute inside. I replace, I put in the value. So I times 8 times 0.8 times 0.8. I have 6p plus 8, 6. And then notice here I break up into 6p plus 8p is 14p. Why I break up? Because I want to cancel away 6p on both sides. Then here is 5.6. So realize I cancel. I have 8p, right? So I have now 8 minus 5.6 will give me 8p. So 2.4 is 8p. I can find 1p now, which is 2.4 divided by 8.3 kilogram. Okay, so the mass of 1 pond is now 0.3 kilogram. And convert to gram, I need to times 1,000 because 1 kilogram is 1,000 gram. You press your calculator, you have 300 grams. So answer 300 grams. Question 10. Question 15. 360 spectators were at a rugby match at the stadium. 60% of the spectators were males and the rest were female, 40%. How many females were at the stadium? So quite a simple question. So you take 40% times total number. Okay, so you work it out, you have 144. After some females left, 80% of the spectators were males. How many females remain at the stadium? So after 144 left, I find number of male first. I will have 360 subtract number of females, 144. I have 216. Right. So this 216 is how many percent? Must be 80%. Correct? Must be 80%, right? What they told us. So how many percent left? Female. 20%. So if I know 80% is 216, can I find 20%? Answer is yes, right? So I work this out. 80% is 216. So I can work out 20%. How? I divide 4. I divide 4. I have 54 as my answer. Question 16. This one, spider one, quite complicated as well. A spider is climbing up the water spout. For every 8 centimeter that it climbs up, it slides down 2 cm. You go up 8, come down 2. It takes 4 seconds to climb 1 cm and 2 seconds to slide 1 cm. What is the distance it climbs in 6 minutes? So recognize 6 minutes is 6 times 60, 360 seconds. One set is move up and slide down. Okay, I consider one set and move up and slide down. Time taken for one set. How much time? 4 seconds and 2 seconds. 6. 30. Wait. Because 1 cm, it will take 4 seconds to climb. So 8 cm will take 8 times 4 seconds. At the same time, it slides down 2 cm. So 1 cm, 2 seconds. 2 cm will be 4 seconds. 2 times 2 seconds. So total time taken, right, to move up 8 cm is 8 cm times 4 seconds. Move down 2 cm. Every cm move down 2 seconds. 2 cm will move down by 4 seconds. So total time taken will be 36 seconds for one set of movement up and down. Total number of sets. Total time is 360 seconds. Total number of sets will be 360 divided by 36. I have 10 sets. So this movement, it will make 10 times. Next movement for one set will be 6 centimeters, right? Because it moved out 8 cm, then come down 2. So every set, it will move 6 cm. So 10 set, I will have times 10. I have 60 cm. So distance covered will be 60 cm in 6 minutes. Question 17. The figure below, not drawn to scale, is made up of two identical triangles. The height 7 cm here. GB, this is 2 times this distance FH, so this is 3.5. Find area of the unshaded area. So I find area of triangle AGH first. Half times base, half times 7 times 7. Okay, I have, because they tell us, so this will be 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. So the two triangles add up, this one and this one. I have 2 of these times 2, 49 cm squared. Then I find area of this shaded region, which is half times 3.5 times 3.5, 6.125. Recognize that the two triangles overlap this one 2 times. So if I take these two triangles, minus away, I must minus away 2 times of this shaded region. So I have 36. 0.75 cm squared. Okay, why I cannot minus away 1? If I minus away 1, this is what happened. I have this. This is inside here. If I draw out the two triangles separately, okay, if I draw this out, if I move this out separately, to find area of shaded region, I take area of the two big triangle, which is 49. I need to subtract how many times? You can see 1 and 2. I need to subtract 6.125 2 times to give me my shaded region, because the region here overlapping. Okay, I cannot minus 1. If I minus only one set, you can see answer will be wrong. Question 18, last question. Rainy wants to buy 7 cartons of milk, but she is short of $16.85. If she buys 3 cartons, she will have $5.75 more. So if I buy 3 cartons, I have this extra. If she want to buy 7 cartons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, she is short of $16.85. Okay, how much money does she have? So from the model, I can see 4 cartons. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 575 plus 1685, which is 22 plus 60 cents. And 1 carton I divide 4. I have this. The problem is you must be able to come up with this model. If not, you may not be able to work out the sum. Then the money will be 565 1 carton times 3, 1, 2, 3, add 575 is the amount of money that she has, which is $22.70. B. In the sales, the price of milk dropped. During the sale, 2 cartons of milk were sold for $3.50. What is the most number of cartons of milk she could buy during the sale? So I take this amount, 22.70 divided by $3.50. I have arrived at 6.48 something. So which means she can buy 6 sets of this. 6 sets of this. So it's 6 times 2, 12 cartons first. 12 cartons. And then check what amount of money she's left behind. Any more amount of money left behind? Which is, so this is the maximum amount she can buy. The leftover she can't buy anything. Right? She will left with some amount of money behind. Okay, let's check 12 cartons, how much we spent. 2 cartons, so I times 6, right? How much is this? $21. Right? 12 cartons will be $21. So like $1.70, she can't buy any more already. So maximum number she can buy is 12 cartons. So answer is 12.